My name is Manas Kumar. I am from second year IT. My roll number is 23PA1A1254, and today I am going to tell about a API in which if we give an input of tell a joke, then it will ask whether that if we want to tell a joke or whether to display the dog picture. Import required module requests. A module used to make HTTP requests to external APIs. Telegram boot, a library for interacting with Telegram bots. Initialize the boot. The token identifies your boot with Telegram servers. Polling true enables the boot to continuously listen for new messages. Define reply makeup option. Inline keyboard allows users to interact with buttons under the boot messages. Callback data. A value used to identify which button was clicked. Handle the start command. When a user sends the start command, the boot retrieves the user's chart.id, sends a welcome message inline button using the options defined earlier. Handle button clicks. When a button is clicked, the callback query events in triggered. The boot checks the callback data to determine which button was clicked. Joke call generate joke. Dog call generate image. Generate a joke. Makes a get request to the joke API, extracts the setup and punchline answer, sends the joke to the user immediately and the punchline after 5 seconds. Generate a dog image. Make a dog request to the dog API, extracts the URL of the random dog image for the response, sends the image back to the user with inline button for further interaction. Summary of the flow. Start interact. Users sends slash start. Display option boot shows inline button. Users click button. Joke fetches a random joke and sends it in the two steps. Dog fetches and sends a random image. Error handling. Adds check for API errors. Security had sensitive information using environmental variables. Code structure. Use modern library for HTTP requests and modular code for the scalability. Thank you.